Hey guys, I'm making this video just for people's safety because I've seen some things like going around TikTok and I'm worried about you guys, so I'm making a safety video for contacts. Just in general, there's risks with everything, so use at your own risk, you know? For me personally, everything was like really comfortable. Like these are the most comfortable contacts like I've ever used. And I swear to God, I'm not just pulling these things out of my butt. I'm actually being serious. So step 1 is wash your hands, obviously. You don't want any like nasty getting in your eye and giving you an infection or, bad things. They recommend you to dry with paper towel, but I just had Kleenexes, so, I mean, that works. You just don't want any lint getting into the contact. Also, it's nice that the contacts come in a cute little case, and it has, like, tweezers, and then a little thing for your eyeball, if you have, like, long nails, which I don't use personally, but, yeah, it's there. It's helpful. And then step 3 is putting them in your eyes. So in this shot, I'm putting in green contacts because the footage got deleted when I was putting in the other ones, so yeah. You can see how I do it. You should pull your eyelid down a little, and you pop them in. And here are the contacts that I have. These just make my eyes look brighter, which looks really cool. Also, I thought I'd show some footage of how it looks when you have them on. And as a little bonus, they give you glitter, which is freaking amazing. All in all, just stay safe and have fun with contacts. Just make sure you do your research on what you put in your eyes.